Hope you are doing very well, guys. So in this video we are going to see about the Redux, a very famous library which we are going to see in a short a little bit of detail it, and later on we will see it in the implementation as well. So what is the Redux? Redux is basically a state management tool, which you can say a small database for your client application. React-Redux is the official React UI bindings layer for Redux. It lets your React components read data from a Redux store and dispatch actions to the store to update the state. So whenever you are going to make a call, let's suppose you are going to make a service call and fetching some data from the server. So for your application, where that data is going to be stored. So for that, if you are working on your React application and you wanted to save some of the data in your application, so you can go for an option like Redux, where you can store your updated data and use it whenever it is required. So when you are going to make a service call, that data is going to update into your Redux store, and then it will flow to your application. So this is not the only way um, to use the database into your application. There are different ways. There are different libraries as well. So one is Mobax, another is like Apollo GraphQL, RxJS, Polystate, etc. and etc. So Redux is basically a process. So how it works, let's say. So in your application, there are the components. So from your components, it dispatch an action, and then action, it goes to your reducers. Then reducers talk to your store. So store is basically your central repository where all the data sits, and the flow which you just see from the component dispatch and actions and then reducer, and the reducer call to the store. Once store get a call from the reducer, then it triggers a subscription. With the help of the subscription, it passes the updated state, sorry, it passes the updated states and the props to the components. So this is how you are going to consume um, the Redux into your React application. Hope this will be a little bit helpful for you guys, but we will see it in action as well in the next video. Thank you.